NIO is one of the stock that has a very good long-term revenue and growth potential. This is one of the stock that has been trending for some time, and as seen on the screen, you can see that this stock was the second most traded stock in February of 2021, and this of course was published by Philip Capital. This results on the screen just shows you how famous this NIO stock is, which is why so many investors are piling more onto this stock, because they definitely believe that it has a very bright future ahead. And I'm sure by now we cannot disagree with them, because this stock, guys, it is producing good results. And of course, we saw that from the Q1 2021 deliveries, which just proves that though there are challenges in the EV sector, this company continues to do very well. Otherwise, with all that, allow me to welcome you to yet another awesome video. Now on today's video, guys, we'll be specifically looking at why is the NIO stock a good buy. So watch this video until the end, because I definitely think that at the end of this video you will be motivated to stay long onto this NIO stock or add more positions onto this stock, because I definitely believe that you will definitely like what I have in store for you today. Otherwise, please note that I'm not a professional financial advisor. All that I will be saying about this stock are just my opinions, and you should not take them as professional financial advice. If you seek professional financial advice, do the right thing and go consult the professionals. So guys, NIO is one of the top EV companies in China, and I'm sure you know that by 2025 China wants this EV sector to constitute 25% of the new cars that will be sold in China, which is something that is definitely big and should definitely open up your mind to say that the EV companies in China will do very well. And with NIO being one of the top EV companies in China, this should definitely encourage you to say that this company is set to do very well. Guys, China is the biggest EV country in the world, and the Chinese government has been encouraging the adoption of the electric vehicles. Now let me also encourage you that the Chinese government supports NIO, and they own a percentage of this NIO stock, which I definitely think that it should also encourage you to stay long onto this NIO stock, because guys, it is backed by the Chinese government. And guess what? I think that since it is backed by the Chinese government, then I can tell you now that this is one of the best EV companies that will do very well in China, because they are backed by this Chinese government. Guys, not only does NIO produce electric vehicles, but we know by now that this company also produces swap stations, and these battery swap stations are able to change batteries in less than 5 minutes, which is very good. The same time that you would take to fill your gas in a gas station is the same time that you would go and change your battery in this NIO swap station. Whilst we are talking about these gas stations, let me also remind you that NIO is busy with a deal that will allow it to deploy these swap stations at almost each and every gas station in China, which is absolutely great. And of course, this deal, they are doing it with one of the biggest petrochemical gas company in China, which I definitely think that it will open so many doors into this NIO stock, as it will mean that it is convenient for you to own a NIO EV car than any other EV car. Though NIO is a very good long-term stock, we cannot forget the short-term challenge that they have of the shortage of the semiconductors. This is a very big challenge in the EV sector at large, because it's even reducing the production in these EV companies. I mean, you'll remember that a few weeks ago, NIO had to close down their factory for 5 days because of this shortage of the semiconductors. So you can see that this is a very big deal on these EV companies. But although this challenge is affecting these EV companies, NIO indicated that they anticipate that this shortage of these semiconductors will last until the end of Q2 of 2021, which is this year. They are anticipating that from Q3, production should go back to normal, and they should be able to meet their target that they had set at the beginning of this year. So meaning that that target of NIO getting to approximately 100,000 cars for this year, there is a possibility that we might see it happening, as this, like I said, is a short-term problem. Not only is the shortage of semiconductors affecting this EV sector, but there is also another issue that's affecting this EV sector. And of course, this other issue is the issue with regards to the rapid rise of interest rates. You will know that this rapid rise of interest rates, not only is it affecting the EV stocks, but it's affecting almost all tech stocks. But even though this rapid rise of interest is affecting these tech stocks, I definitely think that NIO is still a very good long-term stock. Otherwise, guys, we cannot forget that NIO on the 7th of this month, which is last week, they indicated that they reached a production of more than 100,000 EV cars, which is a very good milestone. Even Elon Musk tweeted to say that he congratulates NIO for reaching this difficult milestone, which just shows you that this is a very good company that is doing tremendously well, irrespective of the constraints that they might be facing as an EV company. They continue to do so many great things. We cannot forget, guys, that for the month of March 2021, NIO reported yet another monthly record that it has never reported, which just simply indicates you or shows you that this stock is continuing to do very well, irrespective of the challenges that we see affecting this EV sector. This company continues to do well. In terms of revenue, this company is continuing to generate good revenue. I definitely think that the Q1 earnings results are going to be much better than the Q4 results of 2020. One last thing that I anticipate to see very soon, it's NIO starting to deliver its ET7, which is its new sedan. I mean, I'm so eagerly waiting to see that, because I definitely think that that will boost their monthly deliveries, because I can tell you that there are so many people waiting to buy that sedan. Otherwise, guys, I definitely think that NIO is a very good long-term stock. I mean, we cannot forget that in December, this stock is anticipated to trade around $100 a share. And looking at $100 per share from where this stock is currently trading at, I definitely think that it's a serious bargain for you to go in and participate into piling more into this stock, because it is set to do very well. Otherwise, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, guys, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.